support your own, I see.
Vicencio.
It's Vivenka, my dear.
Vivenka, I need a quick coffin fix. This is on the way to my office. That's why I'm here. And I'm very loyal to our company.
Oh, I can see. I suppose loyal ka lang sa company.
Are you implying something?
Bato-bato sa langit, ang tatamaan, papangit.
Sa ating dalawa, I'm sure, hindi ako yon.
Oh, who else? Oh,
Huge!
ladies! Oh, it's a wonderful surprise.
Come, join us.
Oh, thanks.
What are you doing here?
Well, I love to have breakfast before going to work.
Oh, breakfast. I love breakfast too. Waiter, what are you having?
Just coffee and croissant.
That's nice. I'll have what he's having also. Thank you.
Breakfast here? I hope you don't mind. Pero, hindi ka ba pinaghahandaan ng breakfast ng wife mo?
Kaya naman, wala akong asawa, no?
A girlfriend.
Hindi niyo ba alam? I'm still single. Hindi niyo alam?
That's why.
Wow. Alam niyo, napaka-sweet ninyong dalawa. Imagine, hanggang ngayon, close pa rin kayo. You know, having breakfast together. What, do you do this often?
Oh my God, yeah. We do this on a regular basis.
Wow.
Yes. It's a monthly thing.
A monthly thing?
Yeah.
Aba, baka naman pwede ako mag-join sa inyo. Pwede?
Alam mo, we were just talking about it kanina. We said we should do this more often, like, kasi we just can't stand not seeing each other. I so love this girl.
Wow.
You're so pretty.
And usapan din namin, no boys allowed. Pero, dahil part ko na rin naman ito, we'll make an exception.
Oh, nice. Thank you. I'm sure marami tayong mapag-uusapan. Oh, right?
Right.
Lalo na yung mga nakaraan natin.